Good evening, brother. This is your boy Ahmed. I don't know if you remember me. I came down there. I saw you on Thursday at your shop. You was working on the Dodge Challenger. I think you was doing some work. I came by and asked you about the Infinity, your G37 or G35, whatever that was, and then your coupe, your G37 coupe. Well, this is my Q50. Like I told you, so I got the radiator, same radiator as yours, as you know, and yeah, this is it. This is it. So you can see it's a little higher. So I'm not going to be able to put my radiator top support back on, unfortunately. I had to use ties to secure it. Ain't going nowhere. Same thing for the fan shroud. I had to do the same thing. I had to cut here for the port. I had to cut here for the inlet. I had to cut down there for the return, right? There's no way to mount this. The only thing that I was able to mount back, which I was praying, was the reservoir, which is great because it mounts to the fan shroud. So I was good with that. The condenser, bro, I'm actually going to tell you, man, I'm kind of mad now that I didn't buy the condenser. I should have bought the condenser and just changed that as well. But it's all good. It's all good. You know what I'm saying? The other radiator was bad, bro. Just blockage, everything. And I mean, that thing was so thin. It's like this thin compared to this, you know? Other thing, I know you're looking at this. So I'm kind of hoping that with the heat that this will expand and open up. If it doesn't, I'm going to have to cut this and maybe get like a 45 or something and MacGyver this as I've done. As you can see, this doesn't fit. This is for this car, but it doesn't fit because the inlet is sitting over here on the regular radiator, but this is all the way over here. So I had to put a piece of pipe in there and extend it in order for it to work. Bottom, same thing. It has a very smaller kink, not as bad though. And I kind of pulled it back with the zip tie so it doesn't touch the AC compressor, if you can see. Plenty of room there. Plenty of room there. I don't know if you can see, the camera's kind of deceiving, but there is a lot of room. That is not even that close to it at all. So that's good. See, there's a better picture. That's good. Now that black line that you see is braided line that's going to the transmission, because unfortunately, as you know, the stock ones don't reach at all. I think you and I was already discussing that. So I ran them as such, you know, outlet to the transmission, and then the top, the inlet to the transmission, and the bottom one is the outlet to the transmission. So far so good, man. You know, this car wasn't an accident. I found out broken pieces of stuff. Broken. This was broken. I fixed this though, solid in there. This was broken. This had a hole in it. I couldn't use my window washer fluid. This is actually a new container. It's just dirty from my hands. I put my hands and stuff all over it, but it's brand new. What else did I do? That was pretty much it. Took me pretty much all day. Took my time, figured it out, got everything done. I want to do it once, and that's it. Like I said, the things that I know that I may have to come back to is maybe this, and maybe possibly that, but that's it. These things are accessible. The stuff that's not accessible, like anything behind the bumper, that's why I'm making sure I took my time and did it one time. So that's it. That is it, man. I gotta clean that light up. That thing is just, look how hideous that thing is. Crazy. I changed this one and didn't realize how cheap they were, because I guess I was looking at the ones with the, what do they call that? The headlights that turn. So I think I actually bought this one that turns, but I don't have the feature in the car. So it's just like, whatever. I'm gonna probably buy another one for that, or just clean it up. Either way, you know what I'm saying? But yeah, bro, that's it. You see what I'm doing? I'm here. Thank you so much again for your advice and, taking your time to let me see your vehicle. And I hope your projects go down as well as you was telling me. All right, brother. One love.